Namaste, my friends. Again, there is a small exercise related to the last week, the topic of last week. So, this can be given in exams as a question. Okay, they can ask calculate the energy requirement. How much energy a medical student requires? A 55 kg medical student. Okay, they can give it as calculate the energy requirement or energy allowance for a medical student weighing 55 kg. You can write it down. There is some calculation here. You can take a pen and paper and note it down. Calculate the energy requirement for a medical student weighing 55 kgs. Okay. First is, uh, as I taught you in the last class, to calculate the energy requirement of a person, how much energy he needs, we need to take into account three factors. We need to add three factors: energy required for basal metabolic rate, that is the energy required at complete rest to perform the involuntary activities like functioning of the heart, GIT, motility of the GI tract, ion transport across the membrane, nerve conduction, okay, all these things. That is basal metabolic rate. For the basal metabolic rate at complete rest, how much energy you require for to maintain life, that is basal metabolic rate. Next is specific dynamic action. I taught you specific dynamic action, that is the energy which body spends to utilize the foodstuffs, the energy which the body spends from its own energy stores, that is the specific dynamic action in simple words. So it is for a mixed diet, the diet which contains carbohydrates, fats and proteins, mixed diet. For a mixed diet it is 10%, I taught you, okay. And physical activity, we need to take into account the third factor, that is physical activity, how much activity we are going to do, okay. We had classified it into 4 groups: people who do light work like doctors and teachers, office workers, these are people who do light work; and moderate work like students, you two students. We are taking the question is based on the medical student, so he comes under moderate work, okay. People with light work require 30% of BMR, 30 to 40% energy of BMR. People who do moderate work like students and housewives, they need 40 to 50% of BMR. And people who do heavy work like agricultural laborers and miners, they people who work in mines, they require 50 to 60% of the BMR. And people who do very heavy work like construction workers and rickshaw pullers, they require 60 to 100% of the BMR. So these three factors we need to take into account to calculate the total energy requirement of the individual. We need to add these three, energy required for these three, okay. Here the question is asked about a medical student. Medical student means he comes under moderate work, who do moderate work, like he does work mainly like reading, writing, walking, moderate walking, all such things. So he comes under person who do moderate work. That means he require 40%, around 40% of BMR. And BMR, what is the BMR for a normal value for an adult male and adult female? Last week I had taught you, last class I had taught you. BMR, normal BMR for an adult male is 35 to 38 kilocalories per square meter of body surface area per hour. And for an adult female it is 32 to 35 kilocalories per square meter of body surface area per hour. So that is for square meter of body surface area. Here they have given in kgs, okay, in kgs, understood. That values are for square meter of body surface area. Here the question is asked in kgs, 55 kgs. he weighs 55 kgs. The medical student, he or she weighs 55 kgs. So there is one another BMR value. Okay, BMR is either 32 to 35 for adult female or 35 to 38 in terms of body surface area, or it can also be expressed in per kg body weight as 24. The value is fixed, it is taken as 24 kilocalories per kg body weight. This is for per kg body weight, per 1 kg of body weight per day. Okay, not per hour, per day. Okay, this is once again the BMR is fixed, which is 24 kilocalories per kg body weight per day. 24 kilocalories, remember, for 1 kg body weight. Okay, here the person is weighing 55 kgs. Okay, we need to multiply into 55. For 1 kg it is 24. So for 54 kgs, 55 kgs, it will be 55 into 24. For 1 kg it is 24. So for 55 kg person, it will be 55 into 24. So 55 into 24, if you do, it will come 1320 kilocalories. So the BMR is 1320 kilocalories. Understood? Note it down. Okay, how to calculate the BMR? BMR is fixed. For 1 kg body weight it is 24 kilocalories for 1 kg body weight per day. So for 1 kg it is 24. For a 55 kg per medical student, 55 into 24, that is 1320 kilocalories. Okay, that is the BMR, 1320 kilocalories. And next we have to take into consideration the physical activity. He comes under moderate work. As I told you, medical student comes under moderate work. So for moderate work we need 40% of BMR. 40% means 40 by 100 into BMR value is, what is the BMR value? 1320. So 40 by 100 into 1320, it comes around 528 kilocalories. Understood? Don't get confused. First we have already calculated the BMR as 1320 kilocalories, and now we are calculating for physical activity, moderate work. For moderate work which the medical student do, that is, for moderate work it is 40% of BMR. He requires 40% of BMR. So 40% means 40 by 100 into BMR is 1320. We have already calculated the BMR. It is 1320. 40 by 100 into 1320 is 528. 40 by 100 into 1320 is 528 kilocalories. This is for moderate work. So now we have calculated two things. One is BMR, one is physical activity. Okay, we will add these two values, 1320 plus 528 kilocalories. It comes up to 1848 kilocalories. Are you understanding? Don't get confused. We have calculated BMR 24 into 55 kg. It will come up to 1320. Next we have calculated physical activity for a moderate work medical student. It is coming up to 40% of BMR, that is 40% of 1320 is coming up to 528. Now we are adding the two values, BMR and physical activity. How much it requires? 1320 plus 528 equals 1848 kilocalories. 1848 kilocalories. So next we still have third one. Third one is specific dynamic action, that is SDA. Third one is specific dynamic action, that is SDA. SDA I have taught you. For a mixed diet it is 10%. You already know 10%. So 10% of these two, 10% of BMR plus physical activity. How much? BMR plus physical activity we have already calculated. It is coming up to 1848 kilocalories. Understood? It is coming up to, these two adding up, it is coming up to 1800 kilocalories. Next, SDA is 10% of that. 10% of that. 10% of 1848 kilocalories is 184. 10%. How to take the 10%? 10 by 100. 10 by 100 into 1848 kilocalories. It is 184 kilocalories. Understood? 184 kilocalories. Now we will add all these three. Total energy requirement of the person is, medical student weighing 55 kgs is, we have to add all these three: SDA, BMR, physical activity. BMR is 1320, physical activity is 528 kilocalories, SDA is 184 kilocalories. So if we add all these things, it will come up to 2032 kilocalories. Okay, that is the energy requirement of the medical student. Okay, understood? This is how you can calculate for any amount of kg. Suppose if he is 60 kgs also, you can calculate like that. You can take one homework for a 60 kg student, medical student, you can calculate. So same thing. First we calculate BMR, that is fixed. For 1 kg it is 24 kilocalories per day. So for 60 kgs it will be 24 into 60. Then we calculate for physical activity. Physical activity is 40 moderate work. She is a moderate worker, medical student. So 40% of BMR, 40 by 100 into BMR is whatever you get. Okay, whatever BMR you get, out of that you take 40%. Then you add these two values. Then SDA. SDA is nothing but specific dynamic action is 10% of the mixed rate. 10% of these two. 10% of these two you take. 10% whatever comes, you take 10% value. Then you add these three. All these three. All these three if you add, you will get whatever the value you get. That is the total energy requirement. Understood? For calculating the total energy requirement, we need BMR, physical activity, how much it does, and SDA. BMR is fixed 24 per kg. If they give in kg, per kg body weight, it is 24. BMR is 24 for 1 kg. Remember, okay? Then SDA is 10%. Then physical activity, usually they will give for medical student, it will be physical activity will be 40% of the BMR. This is how you calculate. When you add all these three, you will get the total energy requirement of a medical student. Okay, like that you can calculate. You have to note it down, otherwise you will get confused. The calculation, maths, all these things. Okay, thank you.